Morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Brown. Our unit in skills that we are going to be starting today is a new unit. It is Unit 5, and today we will be discussing the different letters that make the sound. We will also be reviewing adjectives, and we will look at our new spelling words for the week. So let's go ahead and look at the different spellings for that sound. You can make that sound. Let's read numbers 1 through 3 together in our column. Number 1, stuck. Stuck. You hear that you make that sound. Number 2, duck. Duck. You makes that sound. Number 3, buy. Okay, let's go on to the next column. O can make that sound. Let's read our words. Number 1, other, mother. Number 2, brother, brother. We hear that O make the sound. Let's go on to our next column. OU can also make that sound. Let's go ahead and read our words. Number 1, touch, touch. And number 2, cousin. Ooh, that last column is super tricky. That O-E normally works together and the E makes the O say its name. But in this case, they're going to work together and that O is going to make the sound. Let's go ahead and read our words. Number 1, some. Number 2, love. And number 3, dove. Okay, very good. Now that we did our chart, we're going to go on to adjectives. Now, adjectives we already learned about. An adjective is a describing word. It describes a noun or a pronoun. Remember what a noun is? Yes, it's a person, place, or thing. And a pronoun is the name of a person or a place. Like Mrs. Brown is a pronoun. Okay, let's look at our examples on the side. They circled the adjective in blue. Happy dog. Happy is the adjective. It describes the dog. Tired boy. Tired is the adjective. 7 girls. 7 is the adjective. We know there are 7 girls. It's describing how many. Okay, so an adjective is a describing word. Let's go ahead and look at our new spelling words. And I know you don't have your activity book at home, so I will post it. Okay, let's go ahead and read our new spelling words together. Quickly, slowly. Daddy, neatly. Funny. Happy, ugly. Angry. Pretty. Jelly, empty. Grumpy. Chilly, mommy. And our tricky word is alphabet. What might be tricky about that word alphabet? What do you think? You hear the F in alphabet, but there is no F. So there are 2 letters that work together to make the F sound, and that is P and H. They make the F sound, alphabet. Okay, your assignment is on page 2 in the activity book, and if you can't print this page, then you can just write your answers on a sheet of paper. And when you're finished, your parent or your grandma, grandpa, whoever is going to take a picture of it and send it through Class Dojo to your classroom teacher so that we know you completed the work. Let's look at the 4 words on the top in the first box. We have quickly, neatly, ugly, and alphabet. We are going to put these spelling words in alphabetical order. Now to do that, we need to look at the first letter or letters in the word and see which comes first in the alphabet. So the first one for number 1 would be alphabet, because alphabet starts with an A. That comes before Q and N and U, so that is going to go on the first line. Let's do one more together. Number 2, we have quickly, neatly, and ugly left. What do you think would go next? You're going to look at the first letters and decide which one of those letters comes first in the alphabet before the others. That's right, neatly goes next because N comes before Q and U in the alphabet. Okay, you are going to complete this page, and like I said, your guardian is going to take a picture of it and send it to your classroom teacher through Dojo. And I will be available for any questions, as will Mrs. King and Miss Muick and Mrs. Emery. Okay, I hope you all have a great day. That's it for today's skills lesson.